Morning, welcome to this demonstration of Owatrol Pura-Trol and Polytrol. Today we're going to restore this faded green table. Firstly, what you need to do is you must clean it. We have an excellent external cleaning solution called Pura-Trol. Pura-Trol is dilutable. You can dilute it up to 10 times the amount and it will clean anything that's external, your garden furniture. You can even use it on your car if you wanted to. I'm going to dilute it down into this spray bottle. That way I can use it straight on, wipe off, and then this will be clean. It acts as a degreaser, so it allows the Polytrol to penetrate deeply into the colour and get the pigments back to life. That's why I'm going to use the Pura-Trol product. And the #1 colour restorer, Polytrol. This is going to bring the colour back to this faded green table, but it could be anything. It could be your front door, your garage door, it could be your guttering, anything that you need to restore the colour. As long as it's not white, Polytrol will do the job. Believe it or not, this 1 litre can do 18 square metres, so that's a long way. Therefore, to do this table, I'm going to use just a fraction of that. I'm going to empty some and decant it into a can that I can use, get my paintbrush, and I'm going to start painting it on there. Once it's on there, you must remove it after 10 minutes. By doing that, you use a microfiber cloth, must be lint-free microfiber, wipe it off. Otherwise, what will happen is it will congeal on the surface and you'll just be left with a sticky mess. What you want to do is you want to leave it nice, flat, allow the oil to dry into the substrate, allow it to bring out the colour, and then you've got your finish. So there we go, colour restored, green table back to being green. Remember, if you've got anything that's faded, it could be your front door, it could be your car bumpers, it could be your guttering, doesn't matter. Polytrol colour restorer, it will restore it for you.